Hello guys, today we will see the problem longest substring without repeating characters. This is a classic example of sliding windows problem. So as the name suggests, we have to find the largest substring without repeating characters. Before knowing the solution, we have to know what is a substring. Substring is a continuous character. We cannot just remove characters in middle and say that is a substring since it is not continuous. We have to, in this question, we have to return the length of the longest substring which contains only unique letters. First, we will look at the naive approach. From this example, 1 ABC, ABC, BB, we can see that the substring is B, which has a length of 3. For better understanding, I will use a notepad. ABC, ABC, B. Uh, After looking at the approach, we have to first think the naive approach, that is the n square in this case. We will start with the first element and we will check it with the previous element if it is present or not. Since it is not present, since A is the first character and there is no element behind it, we will proceed to the next character. We will do the same process until it reaches A where the first and last characters are equal. Uh, After reaching this, we will store the length of the substring or the substring itself so that we can compare it with the other substrings. In naive approach, we will generate all many substrings and uh, we will calculate the maximum length of it. For it is a fairly easy solution, but for long strings, this solution is not okay since it takes a large amount of time. So to solve this problem, we will have to adapt to the sliding windows approach. In the sliding window approach, we have to take note of the 2 pointers, the starting point and the end point. In the same case, if we encounter both characters, instead of doing the same process again and again, we will just increment the starting pointer, that is A, to B, and we will continue this process until the end reaches the last point or the length of the string. This is the sliding windows approach. Now I will show the coding point. First, we have to take the size no first, and we have to take a hash set to store the previous character. In this case, ABC check equal to set, and we have to initialize the starting point. Left equal to 0, and it is a simple iterator loop for right in range size. If we encounter a character that is not in the set, we can just add the character to the set. And, yes, right. And we have to keep a variable as a result equal to 0. Result. In this result, we will store the length of the substring. Result equal to max. Max, since we have to return the length of the longest substring. Result, come on, right, minus left plus 1. We are adding 1 since it is a zero indexed array. In the else case, we are encountering a character which is already in the set. So if we encounter a character that is already in the set, we have to pop a element. In this case, we are encountering a character which is the first element, so it is just one pop. But in few cases where it is not the first element, so consider this case A B C D B E. We will as usual start with A and traverse till B, but we at the B we are encountering a character which is already present in a set. So we have to pop. Till which we have to pop is the second character, that is B. So in this case we have to pop two elements, that is A and B. While S of right, that is the current character in the set. We have to pop the leftmost character because we are finding the substring which is continuous. Move of left and incrementing the left pointer. At last we are appending the current character. Check dot append is of right. And that's it. We will return the result. Sorry, it's not append, it's uh, add. And that's it. We are submitting the result and it's accepted. Thank you for watching the video.